Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying some loc twist. I've been trying to just do more styles with my locks themselves because they're getting older, they're maturing, stuff like that. So like I wanted to just try something with my locks themselves and see how it would look. Now I have done this before, however, it wasn't this long and it wasn't this locked. So I'm going to be trying it again and see how it looks. So if you want to see how I do that, then please stay tuned. So I finished the back. I'm going to turn around and show you how it looks so far. Alright, so now I'm going to do the front and show you guys how I twist them up. So I have these two sectioned off. So first I put some oil. And then I'm going to take my gel that I make myself and put some of my roots, but not too much. And then I'm just going to twist. So I twist clockwise first. And I let it sit like that, and then I twist the other one. And then so once they're both twisted, so I twisted them clockwise, so I'm going to do the loc twist the opposite way. So I'm going to take it like this and just do the reverse, basically. And then I take a rubber band. And that is pretty much it. So I just twist clockwise. And I'm going to twist the second one. So since I twisted this way, I'm gonna make my loc twist the other way like this. And then once you get to the end, you just put a rubber band at the end. And it's going to look like this. So the pretty cool thing about this is that, let's say for example, you kind of get confused and you twist the opposite way, it's going to unravel by itself. So that just helps you know, okay, like I'm going to twist it the other way now, because my first time doing this, like it just kept unraveling. So I was like, okay, my God, like what am I doing wrong? Then I realized I was just wrapping it the wrong way. So it just helps you to kind of like get it the correct way by just, you know, just twist the other way. Like the opposite way that you twisted your hair is how you twist the loc twist. If that makes any sense. All right, so this is pretty much it. This is how the hair is looking. So I'll probably leave it like this for maybe a week or more. I'm really not sure. It just depends, you know, when I get tired of it, honestly. However, I would say, like, if you're going to leave it in for more than 2-3 days, definitely oil your scalp so that it doesn't become dry. But that's pretty much it, y'all. This is it for this style. I really like it. Like, it just looks so different. And I did touch up on my color, so like it looks a little bit more bright. Definitely like a different look for me, so I'm really feeling that. But that's pretty much it. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.